heyitscandicia and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get defined curls using the new green collection from the company Curls. So starting with wash day, I'm going to be starting out with my first product. So step number 1 is cleansing your hair with the Sea Kelp Curl Cleanser. So sea kelp is full of vitamins and minerals, and it's a natural source of vitamin A, B1, B2, C, D, and E, as well as zinc, iodine, magnesium, iron, potassium, copper, and calcium. So this is supposed to stimulate health growth and encourage new growth as you wash your hair. So this shampoo doesn't foam a lot, but it does a very good job in cleansing my curls. So step number 2 is using the green tea hair rinse. So green tea is known for being full of antioxidants that help stimulate hair follicles and encourage hair growth. It's also packed with vitamin C, and it's supposed to give you a luster and shine. So it kind of replaces your apple cider vinegar rinse. You're supposed to rinse it off after a few seconds of having it in your hair with cold water, and the amount of shine that you get is amazing. So the third step is using the Sea Kelp and Cucumber hair mask. Now this amazing product comes with a little spoon because it is a very thick product. So this mask is very good, especially for shiny hair if you want to get frizz-free hair and hair that is going to look healthier and shinier over time. It also helps me to detangle in the shower, and it made my hair super soft and super defined. So after applying the product, I just roll my hair into a bun, and then I just leave it in for about 15 minutes and do the rest of the things that I have to do in the shower. So styling is the fun part. So I'm going to be using the bamboo protein treatment first, which is considered like their leave-in. Now bamboo is supposed to be the richest source of silica, and it's supposed to be very effective of strengthening your hair. It's also supposed to clear your scalp from hair, pollutants, dead skin cells, and promote product buildup while adding shine to your hair. So I just take this product and kind of rake it through and then scrunch as needed. So next I'm taking the avocado hair mousse. Now this mousse is very interesting because it's a botanical alcohol-free mousse. So it has a low foam, but at the same time it gives you such amazing definition. I really enjoyed this product, and I find that this mousse did a very good job in defining my hair, and I really love the results. So letting my hair air dry, this is what my hair looks like at the end. So it looks really healthy, it looks very defined. Even after diffusing my hair, I find that my hair was definitely really defined, and I really liked it. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you guys later.